Hello guys, today we're gonna hike the Peanut Cow Mountain. Let's go! Let's take a rest, it's so steep. I need water. I need another rest, it's so tiring. Let's keep going. Watch out for your step. We're almost there.
The shirtless man.
We're at the top of the mountain. It's beautiful.
Oh, that smoke from that mountain.
Do you see that smoke?
That smoke is down.
River,
It's smoke.
island.
You see that big old dog?
We're going down and we're at the 5 marker. Let's go.
Go.
Be careful going down. We're at the yellow marker. It's very steep. Guys, we're at number 1.